In the last couple of years, we have been dealing with various technologies like IoT, blockchain, chatbots, cloud, and so on. And we think and are convinced that dealing with those isolated is not the right solution, but we should look at them as parts in the full enterprise to cover their needs, and that's what we call the connected enterprise. In today's event, we have a lot of representatives from remarkable companies around Austria and internationally, and we are very excited that they came here, invested their time, and hope that it will be valuable for them as well.
In my view, there are 5 key pillars of connected enterprise: smarter factory, smarter services, connected products, connected customers, and most importantly, connected worker representative by people. We have experience on all these 5 topics working with customers across the world, and it's extremely heartening to see our clients in Austria looking at these topics closely and looking at their own journey towards connected enterprise with Nagarro.
It's really nice here to see the different colleagues of the different companies, how they do smart connectivity with IoT, with the different sensors in the devices, and how do they analyze the data which they gain, and which data they really monitor and use them to make actions out of it and to make measures out of it, in order to take decisions, business-wise decisions. And it was really interesting also in the talks where we have seen regarding what is necessary, more a standardized process to deal with, or more being agile, being flexible, who will survive in the future? And that is the key question.
For Paysafe, it's always important and interesting to stay in touch with state-of-the-art technology. So it's very interesting to see the demonstrations here and to see modern techniques like machine learning applied to problems and challenges that come from the business, that have a business requirement, and to see how that can be solved with modern technology and techniques.
Connected enterprise means for us at KTM Innovation 3 fields of action. One is product, the connected product. The second one is Industry 4.0. It's connected enterprise. And then it's e-commerce, it's the third field. We are convinced that these 3 fields of connectivity will definitely help us to gain business value and save costs.
Disruption is something that will happen. We cannot avoid it. The point is that ignoring this and avoiding dealing with it is definitely not a strategy. For being successful in the digital era, you have, sorry to say that, you have to use cloud services. And there will be no chance anymore waiting 2 years to see what the others are doing, because you won't have these 2 years anymore. You have to get on cloud now.
I think it's one word. Either you're saying data or you're saying AI, but you mean both of them every time you say either of those 2 words, really, right? So if you have started with data, you can't be waiting for the next year to start running an AI use case on it. The strong view of AI posits that the goal of AI is to make a machine in the form of a human being. The weak view of AI, however, posits a different view. It says that that is not the goal of AI. The goal of AI is to make a machine that can achieve perfection in a small, specific task and is not as versatile as a human being. So in Nagarro, we have accepted the weak view of AI, and this is our philosophical guide.
Nagarro, thinking breakthroughs.